Hello, good morning everyone. This is Mr. Kainga. Yes, I'm going to try to revise with you the 2020 French paper. It's for grade 9. So part 1, structure and grammar. We go to section A, fill in the blanks, the correct preposition in bracket. Here we have 1, Mama va. In brackets we have a and de. Then dash, l'hôpital aujourd'hui. Maman va l'hôpital aujourd'hui. So a in bracket means to or at. But in this case we have va, which is the verb to go. Mama va. Automatically a becomes to. Mama va à l'hôpital aujourd'hui. And de is also a preposition, but it is used when you are talking about the direction where someone is coming from. For example, elle vient de l'hôpital. She's coming from the hospital. Elle vient de l'hôpital. Venir, to come. Now in this case you're using va, which is aller, to go. Mama va, so a is the one to use. So when you have a work like this one, just try to understand what is in the brackets in English. What is a and what is de. So a is a preposition showing the direction where someone is going, and de is also a preposition but showing where someone is coming from. So the correct answer there is a. Second one, les élèves de l'école Chicola vont à vacances. So the word vacances goes with un, not a. So the correct answer there is un. Les élèves de Chicola vont en vacances. Ils vont en vacances. We go to section B. State the gender, number of the sentences written below. Number 1, mes enfants jouent au ballon. Pluriel, singulier. Number 2, ma petite sœur est une infirmière. As always, masculin, féminin. So we go to number 1, mes enfants jouent au ballon. When you look at this sentence, it's plural. Why? Mes enfants, my children, jouent au ballon. My children jouent au ballon. We have mes, which is a plural. Enfant is plural, there is s there. The verb jouer is also in plural form. So automatically we say the sentence is pluriel. Number 2, ma petite sœur est une infirmière, as always. Masculin, féminin. When you look at a petite, ma is feminine, and petite is feminine as well. Sœur. Ma petite sœur est une infirmière. Infirmière is also feminine. That's why we have e at the end, infirmière. So the answer there is feminine. Ma petite sœur est une infirmière, as always. We go to C. Select the appropriate expression to rewrite the two sentences below. Lucona Lewis a travaillé au lycée d'Isoka il y a 10 ans dans une semaine. In English, Lucona Lewis worked at a girls' school. Now the options that we have, il y a 10 ans, meaning 10 years ago, dans une semaine, for 1 week. So we are going to say, Lukona Lewis a travaillé au lycée d'Isoka il y a 10 ans. Il y a 10 ans. Okay. Meaning, Lukona Lewis worked at a girls' school and then he stopped. Okay, that's some 10 years ago. Yes. We go to the second one, Monsieur Kainga enseigne à l'école de Chilanga. Hier, maintenant. Hier means yesterday, and maintenant simply means now. Now, when you look at the sentence, Monsieur Kainga enseigne à l'école de Chilanga, the sentence is in the present tense, enseigne. So because it's in the present tense, we cannot say hier. So we are going to say maintenant, which is now. Monsieur Kainga enseigne à l'école de Chilanga maintenant. We move on to D. Conjugate the verb in brackets correctly and fill in the blanks. Number 1, tu travailles à la banque, n'est-ce pas? Non. Tu travailles. Travailler, verbs, it's a verb ending in ER. Travailler, to work. So in the present tense, we are going to remove the R and add S, that's all. Tu travailles à la banque, n'est-ce pas? Yeah. So on the ER verbs, I believe you have been taught how to conjugate verbs in ER. Very simple. There. Mes parents, être professeur. The verb there is être, to be. Mes parents, we are talking about the third person plural. This will be, mes parents sont professeurs. My parents are teachers. So the answer there is, mes parents sont professeurs. S-O-N-T, sont professeurs. We go to E. Yes, rearrange the jumbled words to make correct sentences, starting with the word with a capital letter. Number 1, professeur, dash D, dash les, dash français, dash zambien, dash E. Then the second one, pays, dash gagné, dash A, dash indépendance, dash son, dash notre, dash 1964, dash 1. Yes, here we have to look at the letter which is in the capital letter first. Okay. Les, we are going to identify this les here. Yes, this les here. If you look at L, capital letter, les, then after that, professeur. The teacher, le professeur. Then A, les professeurs et Zambiens. This one, we are going to leave français des. It should look like it's not going to be in the sentence. So we try again. Les professeurs de français et zambiens. Ok? Les professeurs de français et zambiens. Ok? Les then professeurs, then de français et zambien. So remember we said when rearranging we need to look at the principle when constructing a sentence. We have the subject, the verb and the object. So in this case, le professeur de français is the subject, et here is the verb. Okay, professeur de français, that is object. I repeat, the answer there is le professeur de français est zambien, meaning the teacher of French is Zambian. Go to the second one. Pays gagné à indépendance sans notre en 1964 1. So we look at the capital letter, it's notre. Okay, so we are going to say notre means our. Notre pays a gagné son indépendance en 1964. So we start with notre pays a gagné son indépendance en 1964, meaning our country got independence in 1964. Is that clear? Yeah, you can try to check your work as I prepare myself to go for the reading comprehension. Thank you.